criticize me haters, I'm making money.
Well, I want to hear your song. Oh. Can you sing one for me now? Oh?
I'll do it short.
I want to hear you.
Mr. Josiah, I'm very tired.
I know you're tired, but I would want to hear something from you to see if my son is telling a lie or something. Oh. I don't believe you're an entertainer. I know. You just write it on it because you want to trick Madam Josiah.
No,
please let me
Josiah.
hear a song. Oh.
Okay, Madam Josiah, since you insist, I'm going to sing a little piece for you.
Eh.
While you sit and criticize me haters, I'm making money. I'm stuck in the cheddar, bricks no light and no feather. I'm climbing up the ladder. Oh, while you sit and criticize me haters, I'm making money. I'm stuck in the cheddar, bricks no light and no feather. I'm climbing up the ladder. Oh,
you see, I tell you that Madam Josiah can dance. So you don't have to worry, or when you put me in that music video, I will show you different style.
okay,
You see what I can do?
Well, I see a little thing that you can do a little thing.
A little thing. You be little me, oh. Well, when you do the real thing and you have the music, you will see how I get down and dance for you. You will be proud of me, oh.
Okay, madam.
Okay, all right. Go and rest. But remember, oh, tell your people not to call the phone so often.
Okay, Mr.
Okay? You are here to rest, and I will allow you to rest, oh. They will not torture you in my house. Hey!
Okay, Mr.
All right, I am going to make something for us to eat, oh.
Okay,
And you can go and rest.
Okay, Mr.
Hey, let me show you inside.
Yes, do some checking this morning. Like this I do here before this old woman I get up come touch. I mean, tired last night but I feel fit this morning. Do some checking.
Yeah, Jeremiah, where are you putting socks? Where are you going? So early in the morning.
I'm going to truck this morning.
You're going to track?
Yes,
and you
Miss
didn't
Joseph.
wake me up to tell me you're going to track so I can come with you.
No, Miss Josiah, I don't think it's a good idea to let you help me chop because remember your bone is not that sturdy.
Even if my bone is not fit, you are taking me with you. Eh? I'm going inside for my stuff. I'm going to put on my stuff. Eh? You want to go on track and leave Madam Josiah.
What is for me, Father God? What this lady are really up to? Me rent the place and now me have to go checking with her. What is? We never seen nothing like this before. No, sir. Me definite. You have to go left this a place here, you know. What this woman are really up to? When you come like say, yo, she's a tan in my skin, you know.
Where are you going, Jeremiah?
I'm going for something inside.
I'm getting ready, oh. Jeremiah think he's going to leave out of this house and I don't know where he's going. He have it all wrong up here. Anywhere he goes, I am behind him. Beep, beep, clock, clock. Hey, he thinks he can just walk out of this yard as he like, oh. Hey, I'm going to deal with him. I'm going to show him what it is to live in Madam Josiah house. Hey, I am going to show him that I am the one that run things here. He leave from Jamaica, come here to have shows. And he think he's just going to run around with all those girls and all these things. He will see, oh. It will not happen as long as Madam Josiah is here.
Miss Josiah, I don't think you should come with me, you know. Don't think you should come in, Miss Josiah.
Madam Josiah, why?
I'll catch you out there if you insist, miss.
So why you can't sit and wait on me, oh? Why you can't sit and wait on me? I noticed something about this man. Jeremiah. He don't want me to go nowhere with him. He think he's better than me. But if he was better than me, he would find somewhere else to go. I want the neighbors to know that entertainer is in my house. So everywhere he goes around the world, Madam Josiah shall be there with him. Oh. He better get used to that as long as he's in my household. telling me that my bones can manage. Even if my bone can manage, you will hate me, oh! You will hate me. You want to refuse me and you are in my house. I will not tolerate that in my house. You shall take me everywhere with you, everywhere you go. They will think I'm your woman, oh. If you come over here and think you're going to find any woman, you make a sad mistake. I shall make you and your woman life a living hell in Nigeria. Eh. Jeremiah, I'm coming, oh.
While you sit and criticize me haters, I'm making money. I'm stuck in the cheddar, bricks no light and no feather. I'm climbing up the ladder. No come around me with no fake smile. Me know say you no rate I. Remember when you put me down, you underestimate I. When me feel like giving up, you me say ethic boss fly. Me can't forget the orders when mommy make out apply. Now me flying high like a drone in the sky. Making crazy money, no, not even a try. No can't stop me pagans, no, I Jaja bless I. I Jaja bless I. While you sit and criticize me haters, I'm making money. I'm stuck in the cheddar, bricks no light and no feather. I'm climbing up the ladder. While you sit and criticize me haters, I'm making money. I'm stuck in the cheddar, bricks no light and no feather. I'm climbing up the ladder. I've got 10 jeeps, high span risk a coat till it a drip. Some boy get up or riches on the lip, them just a flip.